Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for teaching kids how to put shoes on their feet correctly. This is one video in a very large playlist, so please click through all the different strategies to see which one or which ones suit your child. Now, getting kids to put their shoes on the correct feet can be really easy. A very low-cost solution is to get some type of a permanent marker or a very sticky type of sticker and take a shoe and put some type of a little symbol right on the shoe. So maybe right about here at the very bottom. So that way your child can match up the left and right shoes. So you're putting a little sticker on, or again, maybe with permanent marker, drawing a heart, a star, some type of a little symbol, maybe even a dot, and telling your child to put the dots side by side. So that way the left and the right shoe are side by side. Then you have your child simply stand behind the shoes and put the left foot in the left shoe, the right foot in the right shoe. So it's a very easy way to orient. Using visual anchors is a very classic OT strategy. So this is a visual anchor type of a strategy, and it can be very successful because the child is simply matching sticker to sticker, having them touch, or dot to dot, having them touch. And that automatically puts the left and the right in proper orientation. So give this one a try, and hopefully it'll work for your child.
You're a drive real slow.